Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on the last day of 2019 on December the 31st on Tuesday. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. This will be the last Sudoku of the year, so let's get started. Alright, we have a 4 here. In this row, a 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here a 5, so no 5 in these two boxes. I see there a 5, so no 5 in this box. Only place for the 5 should be here. Then the other 3 numbers are of this big square are the numbers 1, 3, and 6. I see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. 1 box is left for the 1. Should be this one. Alright, then the 3 and the 6, we see here 3, so no 3 in this box. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes here. So we have filled the big square totally. Then let's go to the number 4, digit 4, 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so in the last row. The only place for the 4 should be here. Then an 8 in this row, an 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9. I see here 1 and 2 here, so no 1 and 2 in these two boxes. That means the 1 and the 2 should be here and there. I see here already a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The other 2 numbers here are the numbers 5 and 9. I see here a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes here. So now we have completed another big square. Then the middle row, 2 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. I see here already a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. That means the 9 could be here, here, or there. But I see here 9, so no 9 there. I see there 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. Now 4 numbers, 4 empty boxes left. One of the missing number here is also a 2. And I see here 2, So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers now. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 4, 6, and 7. 4, 6, and 7. I see here a 4, so no 4 there. I see there a 4, so no 4 there. Only one box left is for the 4. This one. Then the 6 and the 7. I see here a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then let me see. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for a 1 is here or there. I see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. Then a 4 in this column, a 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 is here. 4 in the second row, 4 in the third row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for 4 is here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. I see here an 8. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. The only place for the 8 should be here. We have a pair here, 6 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6 and 5. Yes. Alright. Then we go to the middle row. 2 missing numbers. 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing in the middle row. 2 and 3. I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then these 3 numbers in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 9 is missing. 6, 7, and 9. I see here 6 and a 9. That means 1 digit is left, the 7. So here we have 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 over there, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 6 goes here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 5. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 7. Then we go to these 3 numbers. The missing numbers are 3, 2, and 5. 3, 2, and 5. I see here 3 and 5. So one digit is left. The 2. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. For this row. Last row. I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 must be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So in the last column, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for 3 is here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. One missing number in this row, the first row, for the number 7. 2 missing numbers of this row or this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. The numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7 in this column. I see here a 7. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 6 and 7. I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And the 6 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 missing number in this column for the number which number? 6. 6 is missing here. Alright. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 9. Then we go to the 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 missing number in the second column for the number 5. Yes, 5 is missing here. Then the 3 in this column, the 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 8. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 2 and 8. I see here an 8. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 7. And the final number in this big square for the number 2. So we have completed this in 13 minutes. Alright. The last Sudoku of the year. The medium Sudoku for 2019 is solved. Alright. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow on New Year's Day, there is no newspaper, so we need to wait on Thursday, yes, Thursday, because tomorrow will be Wednesday. So Thursday, the first paper, newspaper will come. So until then, a happy New Year. And the best wishes for 2020. Thank you again and bye bye.